This is an exclusive reminder recorded for Revealed Dawah production channel. Brothers and sisters, sometimes we approach Allah with the mindset that He must fulfill our requests immediately, as though we control the timeline. But pause and reflect. Who are we to demand that Allah works on our schedule? Allah is not bound by our whims. He is the all-knowing, the most wise. When you make dua, you must trust in His timing and wisdom. Allah sees the bigger picture, even when we don't. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us an important lesson. Allah accepts the dua of His servant as long as the servant remains patient and doesn't give up. One of the companions asked, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what does it mean to become hasty? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, it is when someone says, I have made dua, but Allah hasn't answered me, and then they give up. Why patience in dua is the key. Brothers and sisters, when you make dua, it's essential to trust that Allah is working in your best interest. Here's how Allah responds to your prayers in these 4 ways. Number 1, Allah grants you what you asked for. Allah might give you exactly what you requested, but only when the time is right. Number 2, giving you something even better. Sometimes you don't get what you asked for because Allah gives you something even more beneficial in return. Number 3, protecting you from harm. Your dua may serve as a shield, saving you from calamities you didn't even know were coming your way. Number 4, rewarding you in the hereafter. This is the ultimate reward. Imagine standing on the day of judgment and seeing mountains of reward waiting for you. You will ask, Ya Allah, what are these for? And Allah will say, these are the rewards for the du'as I didn't grant in the dunya. At that moment, you might wish that none of your du'as had been granted in this life, so you could have even more rewards waiting for you. Brothers and sisters, always trust the wisdom of Allah. We may not always understand why a particular dua isn't answered the way we want, but Allah's wisdom is beyond our comprehension. He knows what we need, what we can handle, and what is best for us, both in this world and the next. So keep making dua. Never stop, whether you see its results now or later. Know that every word you say, every tear you shed, and every hope you place in Allah is recorded. And one day you will see how beautifully Allah answered every single one of your prayers in ways you couldn't have imagined. Trust in Allah's plan. It's always better than our own.